Hello, it's me, Mathys. Today we are going to talk about birds. The birds, they eat seeds, and we have bird seeds right here. They eat like, all kinds of seeds. They eat like sunflower seeds, all kinds of seeds. Magpies or ducks eat bread, and hummingbirds eat like they suck up like flowers and stuff like that. And today we're going to put bird seeds, and then we're going to watch the birds eating the seeds. Let's do it. Let's go put the bird seeds in. Okay, now I want to take this down. Open this. Bird seeds here. Wow! See, and there's some sunflower seeds here. Okay, I think that should be enough. Okay, now we got the seeds in the bird feeder. Let's shake it a little. Let's just put it out. Now let's hang it back up in the tree. Okay. Now it's hang, and then we're going to watch the birds eating their seeds. Yay! And then there's a bird bath that hangs up. I will show you. You put water and the birds drink it, but we have to clean this because this is very dirty. Birds sometimes move to south when it's cold, so sometimes they don't like the cold, so they move to south. Sometimes they go to Mexico or the place that's hot. And there's like all kinds of birds. There's a crow, magpie, and what else? Woodpecker, hummingbird, birds, and blue jays. Let's see what birds come to the bird feeder and the bird bath. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye-bye.